Hi students, in this video we are going to learn some more basic trigonometric formulas that are left in part 1 with respect to compound angles. I hope you all gone through the formulas given in part 1. If not, I will give the link in description. Please go through that. So now we will give a quick revision of formulas given in part 1. So in part 1 we have derived sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So these formulas are derived just from the trigonometric ratios and the Pythagoras theorem. So we know that the trigonometric ratios are sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite, cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, and secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent, and cot theta is adjacent by opposite. So from the triangle ABC, AB is the opposite side because it is opposite to the angle theta, and BC is the adjacent side because it is adjacent to the angle theta, and the leftover side is the hypotenuse side. So for the triangle ABC, we can write the Pythagoras theorem as x square plus y square equal to z square, that is opposite square plus adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square. So let's divide this Pythagoras theorem 3 times by hypotenuse square, adjacent square and opposite square. So first we will divide the Pythagoras theorem by hypotenuse square. We will get opposite square by hypotenuse square plus adjacent square by hypotenuse square is equal to hypotenuse square by hypotenuse square. So this will be result as 1. So your opposite by hypotenuse is your sin theta from the trigonometry ratios. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And next we will divide by adjacent square. We will get opposite square by adjacent square plus adjacent square by adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square by adjacent square. So your adjacent by adjacent square is equal to 1 and your opposite by adjacent is your tan theta. So tan square theta here, and your hypotenuse by adjacent is your secant theta. So your secant square theta is here. Then we will divide the Pythagoras theorem by opposite square. We will get opposite square by opposite square plus adjacent square by opposite square is equal to hypotenuse square by opposite square. So your opposite by opposite square will be result in 1, and your adjacent by opposite is your cot theta. So cot square theta here is equal to your hypotenuse by opposite is your cosecant theta. That's why your cosecant square theta is here. So if you learn these 3 trigonometry formulas, you can learn some more trigonometric formulas from these 3. So from sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, you can write some more trigonometry formulas as sin square theta. So from that, sin theta will be written as the square root of sin square theta. So cos square theta and the cos theta will be the square root of cos square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So from this we can write your tan square theta, and tan theta is the square root of tan square theta, and your secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And from 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So from this we can write cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. So cot theta is the square root of cot square theta, and your cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So from these 3 trigonometric identities, you can learn 4 plus 3 plus 3, totally 10 trigonometric identities. So no need to memorize here, just learn how these trigonometric formulas came from trigonometric ratios and Pythagoras theorem. So let's move on to part 2 formulas. So in part 2, we are going to learn sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A plus B, A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Your tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. You see, in sin A plus B and sin A minus B, sin A cos B, sin A cos B, cos A sin B, cos A sin B will be there. The only difference is the sign. So for A plus B, plus will come, and for A minus B, minus will come. Similarly, for cos A plus B and cos A minus B, cos A cos B, cos A cos B, sin A sin B, sin A sin B will be there. So the difference is, for A plus B, here minus will come, for A minus B, plus will come. So tan A plus B and tan A minus B are little bit different from others. So tan A plus B will be tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So tan A minus B will be, the plus sign will be changed to minus, and the minus will be changed to plus. So tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. So if you learn these 6 formulas, you can write some more formulas. That is, first, add and subtract equations 1a and 1b respectively. That is, 1a is sin a plus b and 1b is sin a minus b. So if we add these two equations, we will get sin a plus b plus sin a minus b is equal to, so the cos a sin b, cos a sin b will get cancelled. So we will get sin a cos b plus sin a cos b. So this will equal to 2 sin a cos b. So sin a plus b plus sin a minus b is equal to 2 times sin a cos b. So in the same manner, sin a cos b is also written as 1 divided by 2 sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So if we subtract 1a and 1b, we will get sin a plus b minus sin a minus b will be equal to cos a sin b minus of cos a minus cos a sin b. So here your sin a cos b and sin a cos b will get cancelled. So remaining cos a sin b minus of minus cos a sin b will be there. So if we add these two, we will get 2 cos a sin b. So sin a plus b minus sin a minus b will be written as 2 cos a sin b. That's why your cos a sin b will be equal to 1 divided by 2 sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. So in the same manner, you can add and subtract equations 2a and 2b too. So 2a and 2b are cos a plus b and cos a minus b. So if we add these two formulas, equations, we can get cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus cos a cos b. That is, your sin a sin b and sin a sin b will get cancelled here, and the resultant will be 2 cos a cos b. That's why your cos a plus b plus cos a minus b will be equal to 2 times cos a cos b. So your cos a cos b will be equal to 1 divided by 2 cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So then we will subtract 2a and 2b respectively. So if we subtract 2a and 2b, your cos a plus b minus cos a minus b will be written as minus sin a sin b minus of plus sin a sin b. Here your cos a cos b and cos a cos b will get cancelled. So if we add the remaining, we will get minus 2 sin a sin b. So the resultant will be cos a plus b minus cos a minus b is equal to minus 2 sin a sin b. So in the same manner, your sin a sin b will be equal to minus 1 by 2 into cos a plus b minus cos a minus b, or you can write as sin a sin b is equal to 1 by 2 into your cos a minus b minus cos a plus b also. So in this section, if we learn sin a plus b minus sin a minus b formulas, you can also learn your sin a plus b plus sin a minus b and your sin a plus b minus sin a minus b formulas too. So from these two formulas, you can learn these two formulas too. And if you learn your cos A plus B and cos A minus B formulas. You can also write your cos A plus B plus cos A minus B and cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. So it is very simple to learn those six formulas. They are very easy to learn, easy to memorize. So if you have any doubts in this video, just feel free to ask me, and you can ask me questions too. So if I left over any formulas here, just remind me in the comment section. Thank you.